Welcome back guys on my YouTube channel. Now this is the FX Daves, your mentors, signing in. Now this is our third episode. We are still explaining or breaking down candlestick patterns. Now in today's video I'm going to be explaining more about the bearish harami, or other traders they consider it as an inside bar candlestick. Now I have a little bit illustration of a bearish engulfing candle, candlestick of a bearish harami, or an inside bar. Now this candlestick I'm trying to explain. I want you to differentiate all these candlesticks we are trying to bring on board to teach you how they are formed and which impact do they bring in the market. Now this is the bearish harami. Bearish two candlestick patterns. First candle is long and the second is completely contained in the body of the first candle. Now this is our first candle, but prices open from here and they had to close from here. Now the second candle, this is an hour time frame, the second candle opened from this, closing on this price. Now the second candle is inside the first long bar candle. Get it? Now I like calling it an inside bar as well, so do not be confused later in this book when you find the term like an inside bar. So an inside bar is the same as called a bearish harami. Now this is the candle I have taken most of my trades based on. I find it so powerful, but we must consider them at the resistance level. They tell us that the market is about to sell short. Now when you take a look on this candlestick pattern, the bearish harami, the first rule, if you want to be profitable with this candlestick pattern, we must look for them on our resistance level. Let me repeat this. If you'd like to be profitable trading the bearish harami candlestick pattern, we must look for them on the resistance levels. That's where they are always bring impact in the market. So when they appear in the training market, they tell us a trend may still continue. Now it also depends. When you find this candlestick pattern in the training market, they also indicate that the market is still trending. So you may not find it on a resistance level, but you can find it in either an uptrend or downtrend. That indicates that the market is still trending. Now I have a little bit illustration here explaining more about this candlestick pattern, which is the bearish harami or an inside bar. We have the long bar, which was our first candle like we explained. Then we have this engulfing or small candle being formed inside this long bar. Now it was spotted on my resistance level. After it being spotted on my resistance level, that's why I got the screenshot to explain more. We can see the pressures shot all the way from this level to the downside. Now all these candlestick patterns, they are a big influence in the market. If you give them time and you backtest them, they can change your life if you're trading. Because there are some traders, they know they only trade candlestick patterns, they do not trade chart patterns, they don't trade support and resistance, but they only trade candlestick patterns. Now if focusing on these candlestick patterns, you can also be profitable in the market. Now let me hope guys you have learned a lot in this video. We have been explaining more about the bearish harami or an inside bar. It's more powerful on the resistance level. Try to cater them on a resistance level. Now if you haven't subscribed, please do subscribe to this video, and also comment down the description. For the reliable forex broker we recommend you to use is Infinix Capital. Is the reliable forex broker we recommend you to use. Open up an account using our links down the description. It will be pinned down the description. Use that link, sign up with Infinix Capital. Your account will be verified in time and you start your trading journey. Now this is FX Your Mentors signing out.